What's up? I'm Mason Ritter from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are here in Pagosa Springs at Pondfest, and we're gonna check out my new fit build. The frame I'm on is the Miller High Life frame. It's Max Miller, Nora Cup Award winner. Come on. Street rider, and yeah, it's the perfect setup for me. I ride park, dirt, I dabble in the streets. Not as much as Max, but you know, we're trying. But no, it's a perfect setup for me, just for an all-around frame. It is a 21-inch top tube. I try to draw on every single frame just because it's like, I love doing artwork. It's just what I enjoy doing. It's my own little addition to the frame. In high school, I was customizing just Vans slip-ons, and that progressed from slip-ons to t-shirts to just trying to customize anything I could. For the paint, I decided to go with like a turquoise green. I wanted it to look kind of like it was almost wrapped with lace and then someone spray painted over top of it. Just because the color of the frame, the rose dust, it's like such a nice color. I didn't want to cover up the whole thing. So I thought just do a little bit of accent of that turquoise greenish color. They both like complement each other super well. And then for the head tube and like bottom section of the down tube, I wanted to add a little bit of color just so there's like a little bit more flair going on. For my forks, I'm running the Fit Blade V3 forks. They're a 33-degree offset. And millimeter, dude. Come on, clock in. Run it back. For my forks, I'm running the Fit Blade V3 forks, and they're a 33mm offset. We got the Rambler bars, Hallahan edition. Can't beat it. A little bit more back sweep than what I usually have, but it's seriously on point. So Hallahans, as soon as that was like an option of having the Rambler bars, I'm going all in with the Rambler bars. Those dudes, they all started riding with me whenever I was 16, and they were 10, 11, and they were the ones that got me introduced to going to different skate parks in the area. So Mike Hallahan, he took me to all the different skate parks, and they've got me involved with so many different things and helped me with like everything. As soon as that was an option of running their handlebars, like, dude, it's an easy one all day. Rambler bars, Hallahans are #1. For my stem, I'm running the Fit Hango stem. Jordan is traditionally a street rider, but it seriously feels so on point for everything that I do, whether it's riding dirt, park, street, any of it. But the gold, as soon as I unwrapped it, I was like, dude, Pittsburgh pride. This thing is perfect. I'm still so stoked on it. Just that little bit of gold in there, I'm like, PA represent. There we go. My cranks that I'm running are the Fit Blunt cranks. They're 24mm spindle, 170 length. There's indents on each side of the crank arm, so it makes them extra strong. Dude, I'll be landing flat on those triples jumps all day. Be chilling. Yeah, ready for anything. For my sprocket, I'm running the Fit Key sprocket. I do the 32th up front. Gotta have all that cranking power. You know, if you're pedaling around in the streets, it's nice just to be able to keep up with everyone. And then at a skate park, if you need a little bit more power, you have it. It's made in the USA, which is sick as well. You can't beat it. Got the Fit PC pedals. perfect setup, plastic, I don't need the metal pins. My shins, they take a beating, so I'd rather have the plastics clapping against them instead of having metal platforms and pins. On the platform of the FitPC pedals, they're like kind of grooved, so there's like extra grip for your shoes, which is perfect. For my grips, I'm running the Fit Team grips. They're the perfect setup. They break down so nice and they last super long, which is perfect because I can't stand whenever you start blowing through grips left and right. So something that has some durability and they feel good, can't beat it. For my rims, I'm running the Fit Arc rims. They do everything they need to do. Get this thing rolling, on point. Dude, Mike Cottle, shout out. He laced these things up. They're laced up to some Profile Racing Elite hubs. They are Shane Hallahan's colorway. As soon as I got them, I was like, dude, you gotta sign these. Dude, Shane, he's a G. He's my teammate. I still can't believe that. It's seriously the craziest thing. That's my boy. For my seat, I'm running the Fit Barstool seat. It's all black with a nice quilted stitching design on it. I love how it feels. Having the opportunity to work with Fit and represent the brand, it's seriously next level. It's crazy. I'm very grateful to be a part of it. Now, thank you all for checking out my Miller High Life build. Hope you all enjoy it. If you'd like to get one yourself, go to your local Fit dealer. If you don't have one, hit up fitbikeco.com and pick yourself one up. Peace.